In this video, I am going to take you step by step on how to change Devnet to mainnet on Solana CLI. So that is what we'll cover in this video. Are you looking for a single platform that make it super easier for you to have access to explore Web3 projects and opportunities they have, like jobs, grants, bounties, and a lot more? If that is what you want, welcome to Explore Web3 platform, a public good project I'm building to make it super easier for you to explore Web3 projects and their opportunities. So it has over 150 categories that makes it easier for you, and each of these projects you can bookmark them to access later. You can have access, rate them and give feedback, and in doing so. And at the same time, I started with Solana ecosystem, but I'm open to expand to other ecosystems. So if you belong to that, you can reach out to set up, and if you build Web3 project, you can also submit for free. And at the same time, please donate to help keep this project going. Meanwhile, I may get support and reward for any of the content, video or content on the website. So please always do your own research. Every of the content are for educational purpose and not investment advice. Let's get back to the video. Usually, after you install Solana CLI, let's open a new one. If you do Solana CLI, so it shows the version you have. Once you have it installed, usually after installing, it comes defaulted to mainnet. So if you have just installed your Solana CLI, you will likely not need to do anything to change it to mainnet because it's usually defaulted to it. But in case it's not default to mainnet, what you can do is to use some command. And let's check. We have the doc here. Let's follow the doc. Here we have this now. We can use this to check what is the coin. That's the first thing you should do. So this gives you an idea of the RPC is what you are mostly concerned. Once you see the WebSocket, everything, but that RPC matters a lot. You have seen that this is on Devnet. So how do you now change it to mainnet? For you to do that, there are some commands you can use. You see them here, depending on the one you want to use. So the same Solana config, then set the URL that you want. So let's copy this. We want to set it to mainnet. Paste, enter, and if you can see it, and to confirm, if we run the Solana config again, we have it Solana config get. So it's now on mainnet. You need to be careful with this because maybe you are done, you really want to deploy your Solana program on mainnet. If not, 99.9% of time as a Solana developer, you should be on Devnet because that is when you will deploy and it won't cost you money because you can use your Devnet free airdrop. So but if you are deploying anything you are doing here, you're actually paying real money, real so I will make sure I return it back to, for example, let's see if we do testnet, but we don't use testnet to develop, is for more, so you can see it now. So if I do the config get testnet, but now I need to return it back to Devnet, so that when I'm building, I don't mistakenly spend money and deploy to mainnet. So it's now back to Devnet. So that's how you can change Devnet to mainnet on Solana CLI step by step. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, tap notification bell, share it, and at the same time, if you can support with donation in link in the description, or as well recommend us to protocol or any Solana protocol platform you belong to, that we can create helpful technical content to help developer guide on about them, and also on any other blockchain, EVM, and more. So that's it. I remain Solomon Foske. Keep the programming spirit and alive, and please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill and not evil, to make the world and the universe a better place for us all. See you in the next video. Peace.